front of me is Elaine Booth. You're from Rycote in the UK.
I am. Yeah.
And what you're holding here is the Cyclone.
It's our new innovative product, the Cyclone, the new shape of windshield, no parallel sides to create room tone effect, and it also utilises our new 3D text fabric. It's heavily engineered fabric, so it always produces it's consistent fabric, unlike fur, which has slightly different properties all the way through the roll. It's very quick. It's very easy to use. We developed it over a number of years, listening to what sound recordists actually want to have in the field, which is something really quick, easy to use, and easy to maintain as well. So that's the whole development of the Cyclone. So if I show you. It has some locking systems. Open the locking systems. Easily with one hand you can unclip the Cyclone windshield. So it's all done on magnets that hold the system together, so no more fiddly things to do and sliding in and out. Okay, so you
easily clips together.
Easily clips together, and then you can also remove the other side as well, so you can quickly go from outside recording to inside recording. So it really is as quick and as simple as that. Okay. You can also remove the C-arm here. So if you're inside and you're booming, you don't need to have any additional weight at all. So it really is that quick and easy to use. So you have a suspended unit. You have a suspended windshield at the top. Mm-hmm. So the basket itself is suspended as well, which offers really, really good isolation. Okay. And then a suspension system in the bottom as well. Okay. This is the first size of Cyclone we're doing. We're actually going to be producing two smaller sizes of Cyclone, two of which should be ready at the NAB show, prototypes on display for smaller shotgun microphones, and then we'll also be creating a stereo version hopefully later in the year as well. So lots of exciting things to come with Cyclone using the innovative 3D text fabric.
And then when you're talking about the 3D version, it will be an XY version?
Sorry?
When you're talking about the
for recording. So that's the basic properties of the Cyclone really. So it's easy to clean. You can quickly shake any moisture off. You can actually blast it under a hand dryer or use a hair dryer. If you're on set and you quickly need to dry it, you can quickly nip into the bathroom. You can give it a dry under the hand dryer. Whereas with the old traditional windshields with the windjammer, you'd have to wait. You'd have to brush it all out. Then it gets matted. That distorts the property. The amazing thing about this system with this fabric is the transparency. The quality of the sound is so clear that you can hear the most amazing things with it. So you can hear the sound of the wind, but you don't have all the really horrible low frequency wind noise, no rumbling. You just hear the beautiful sound of nature and of the wind.
When you used it, you won't use the fur anymore?
We do a fur wing cover to go over this, but you should only need to use it in very high wind conditions. And also, if your ears aren't quite adjusted to the clarity of this sound, you might prefer to use that just because that's the sound you're used to. So it's very much a way of choice for the recorders who's using it, so you've got the flexible options. But it's very exciting, and it's all engineered, it's all made in our little factory in Stroud in Gloucestershire in the UK. So everything's sourced locally. All the staff are sourced locally. So it's very much a British product. We're very
it's a nice product. Yeah. What's the price compared to the older?
There's not a huge amount of difference. I know the price in sterling. I'm not entirely sure of the price in euros. In sterling, I think the price is about £60–70 more sterling. So
it's a low price.
It's very competitive. And it has a lot of appeal, I think. Whether you're a broadcaster, rental companies, there's a lot of appeal.
It's sturdy enough for rental companies?
Yes, it definitely is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thanks a lot.
Thank you. Very nice to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.